Welcome to a demonstration of FinLocker for mortgage lenders, originators, and brokers. FinLocker is a consumer-facing financial relationship platform that combines many of the features and functionality typically accessed by consumers on multiple apps for property search, interest rate, and product calculators, home loans, credit reports, and other financial monitoring tools. These apps often market their users, who are often your consumers, as a lead that is sold to the highest bidder. When a consumer uses your company's private labeled FinLocker, they are provided with an integrated solution to solve the various questions a borrower has across real estate, banking, credit, and mortgage product requirements in one convenient app. One of the verticals that we serve today is the mortgage industry. Our clients are using FinLocker at the top of the funnel, helping to nurture and prepare first-time homebuyers and those consumers who are not quite ready to proceed with a mortgage application. Property search, product and rate simulation, financial requirements checklists are the top 3 drivers of consumer behavior leading to a mortgage transaction, especially from first-time homebuyers. Consumers perform these activities by accessing a multitude of hyper-specialized solutions. FinLocker has innovated a consumer-centric engagement platform with curated journeys and experiences that provides best-in-class solutions for their needs in a single pane of glass, backed with high-quality data, proprietary algorithms, and educational materials. On the other end of the spectrum, when a consumer closes on their mortgage and becomes part of a past client database, FinLocker helps originators, brokers, and realtors avoid the engagement cliff after close by providing a hyper-personalized way to stay in touch and develop a customer-for-life relationship. At the top of the funnel, FinLocker helps all types of consumers, especially those seeking a high-tech and high-touch experience. The unbanked or underbanked, hourly wage workers, Gen Z, and millennials, all seeking homeownership will find value in FinLocker. From a lender's perspective, the leads that you are acquiring, whether they are organic or through third-party sources, can be driven into a FinLocker to help improve your lead conversion. From their FinLocker, consumers have access to their credit score, credit report, real-time monitoring, and alerts. Once they've linked their banking and other financial accounts, consumers will have access to a single pane of glass view of their entire financial life. The detailed transactions from their accounts powers the spending analysis, budgeting, and goal-setting tools in the app. FinLocker provides a readiness assessment which perpetually analyzes the data in a consumer's locker, giving them transparency on where they stand with respect to being financially ready for certain loan products, like a mortgage. An extensive library of videos and articles improves financial literacy and education on the mortgage process, credit, and homeownership. Consumers can securely store documents in their locker, especially those that will be needed for a mortgage application. Once a consumer is mortgage ready, they can share directly from their app all of their data and documents with their originator to streamline the mortgage application process. Consumers can search for real estate in the locker as well. They can track the value of property that they own and homes recently sold near their home. Consumers have the option to access their locker via the desktop or the native mobile app. Lenders deploy FinLocker both at the top of the funnel and at the end of the loan process. At the top of the funnel, consumers who come in and are not quite ready for a mortgage application are given a FinLocker, where they are groomed and prepared for mortgage readiness. They are returned to the lender to complete the mortgage process. At the end of the process, once that loan is closed, consumers can be invited to sign up for a FinLocker for a customer-for-life experience. Embedded tools help them monitor their credit, track the value of their home and equity, and provide other personal financial benefits. Let's check out how Linda, a first-time homebuyer in her late 20s, who is renting an apartment close to her job in the city, will get mortgage ready using FinLocker. Loan Officer Pat invites Linda, a prospective first-time homebuyer, to use his company's private labeled instance of FinLocker to prepare for homeownership. The app's intuitive design guides Linda to enroll in credit to receive her credit score, credit report, payment history, and the factors that impact her credit profile. Linda can also use the Credit Compass to receive tips to build her credit score and test the impact that various credit scenarios could have on her credit in the credit simulator. Adding her financial accounts, the app's technology categorizes every financial transaction in Linda's enrolled accounts to provide a visual summary of her spending. This level of detail enables Linda to make informed financial decisions, help her to identify where she can reduce her spending, and start saving for her cost to close, as well as paying down debt to accelerate her progression towards mortgage readiness. To learn how much home she can afford, Linda uses the Dynamic Affordability Calculator. The app analyzes her financial data to provide her with a home budget and a monthly mortgage payment that fits her income. She's also provided with the amount she could save for her down payment and closing costs. With a few additional clicks, Linda creates a saving goal for her down payment and closing costs linked to one or more of her enrolled bank accounts. Going forward in real time, the app will update Linda on her progress towards reaching her savings goal by her target date. Linda answers a few simple questions to learn her current status towards achieving mortgage readiness. The app's technology analyzes her financial data and recommends changes Linda should make to her credit, debt-to-income ratio, and savings habits to achieve her goal. The app perpetually updates her status, so at any time she can easily see her progression towards mortgage readiness. Linda refers to the embedded educational content to learn about debt-to-income ratio and how she can use the budgeting tools in the app to lower her DTI. At any point along her journey, she can watch additional videos to prepare herself for the mortgage process and home ownership. Linda also uses her app to store the financial and personal documents she will need for her mortgage application. Linda uploads her most recent tax returns and begins to store her pay stubs each week. Thanks to the app that Linda received from her loan officer, Pat, she achieves her goal of mortgage readiness 2 months ahead of her target date. Linda starts her home search using the real estate widget inside the app. She can search for a home within her budget and in her preferred neighborhoods. Linda is now ready to formally apply for her mortgage. She uses the secure sharing feature in her app to send Loan Officer Pat her financial data and the documents she has stored in the app along her journey. Pat is excited as the data that Linda has shared essentially pre-fills the mortgage application in his point-of-sale system and includes Linda's asset data, so she doesn't need to collect bank statements from her. After closing on her mortgage, Linda is now able to monitor her home value and equity. She also receives home value trends based on recently sold homes in her neighborhood. Linda continues to use the app to monitor her credit and manage her finances while budgeting and saving to achieve her next financial goal. Loan Officer Pat is only a click away whenever Linda decides to refinance or purchase another property. The consumer is always in control of their data and empowered to decide when and with whom to securely share their data and documents with. From their locker, they can directly share this information with their originator. Consumer permission data is a win-win for both consumers and lenders, as it protects a consumer's information during the mortgage process significantly more than faxing, emailing, and even mailing documents for their application. Having all personal and financial information provided digitally gives the lender the ability to make faster and more accurate lending decisions. FinLocker employs state-of-the-art bank-level security, ensuring consumer and lender data and information is always secure. Security layers include multi-factor authentication, encryption of data both in transit and at rest, as well as identity verification. In addition to an annual SOC 2 Type 2 audit, FinLocker is subject to audits by our data partners and our banking clients. Some of the most forward-thinking and innovative companies have partnered with FinLocker to offer their consumers a more modern experience. Our flexible pricing model levels the playing field, allowing smaller lenders and independent mortgage brokers to compete with larger organizations with an innovative technology platform to help them better manage the consumer experience. Patents on the locker technology and have partnered with Fannie Mae, Microsoft, and several consumer housing advocacy groups to help first-time homebuyers achieve home ownership. FinLocker is Day One Certainty approved by Fannie Mae for asset verification. Strategic partnership with TransUnion provides mortgage originators with predictive leads, identifying consumers who are 6 to 18 months out from a mortgage. When using a FinLocker to groom and nurture those leads, those consumers are now in the tech stack under the logo of our client, getting prepared for home ownership. Once they are ready, they can begin their mortgage application securely sharing the data directly from their app with their lender. Here are a few questions to consider. Are you helping your prospects get ready at the point of thought, or are you simply engaging them at the point of sale? Are you able to serve your borrower for anything else beyond a mortgage transaction? Are you able to keep a customer for life, or are you in a perpetual hamster's wheel chasing the next lead and conversion? Thank you for learning about FinLocker today. To learn more or to schedule a meeting, visit finlocker.com.